Hey guys, welcome back to another video with College Advisor, where today I will be discussing how to make your summers count when aiming for the Ivy League. If you're new here, my name is Caden Ketchman. I am an incoming freshman at Columbia University, as well as a designated scholar, a title given to only 0.3% of applicants this admission season. If you want to know a bit more about me, I suggest you go back and watch the last video where I walked you through my Common App and shared lots of useful tips on how to structure yours. But for now, let's get into how to use your summers to stand out in Ivy League and other hyper-competitive college and university admissions. I personally put a lot of pressure on myself to have extremely impressive summer activities all 4 years of high school. But when COVID struck and the expensive programs I was admitted to were canceled, I had no idea what to do and just ended up spending my summers video editing and playing Minecraft with my friends. While this is a totally fine way to spend your summer, it wasn't until my junior year that I realized how much of a disadvantage I had put myself in. See, the thing about the Ivy League is that nearly every single one of the 50,000+ applicants were at the top of their class. Almost all of them were student body president and had more than 500 volunteer hours. What makes you truly stand out is a passion project, and what better time to start one than the summer? My junior year, I applied for a summer program called Governor School in North Carolina. I was confident I would be accepted to this program, and at a length of over 4 weeks, it would have been enough to fill most of my summer and maintain rigor and a strong resume. But when I was rejected from this program, I realized I had given myself no backup plan. From the day of my rejection in March till early June, I was essentially in a constant state of panic that I had foiled my chance at attending an elite institution because I would have nothing to show for my last few months before the beginning of application season. Now, first of all, please don't be like me. Please just relax and realize it is absolutely not serious enough to warrant such extreme anxiety. Is not only something that can be overcome, but an opportunity to become something much greater. My first suggestion is that every single one of you applies to fly-in programs. In early June, everything turned around for me because I was accepted to the prestigious Dartmouth Bound program. This program not only gave me the confidence to keep striving for success and the security that I would be accepted to a competitive program, but also an amazing experience that I will literally never forget. I cannot stress enough how much fun it was and how amazing it felt to be among such incredible scholars in a school that has crafted so many influential minds. I would also suggest Discover Swarthmore, which I attended, Windows on Williams, Explore Bowdoin, PEEP and PIF for Penn, and other fly-ins at schools that you're interested in. Fly-ins not only help your chances at getting into schools, but they can also alter your opinion on them drastically, helping you choose one over another. My junior summer, I also began to pursue my passion for public education policy. This started because on a whim, I decided to try and get my op-ed published in a local paper successfully. Then I used LinkedIn to promote my writing more and more. I shared the publication with friends, family, and all of my connections, until one day I was asked to speak at a teachers' conference, then a podcast, then another podcast, and then a national conference. People on the internet will always tell you to find a passion project, but they never quite tell you the steps to do so. And while I can't walk every one of you through it individually, I can suggest that you start small, take advantage of your strengths, be it writing, art, or science, and use social media to make it known. People want to hear young people's thoughts on big issues. Your position as a student makes your insight valuable, and the more you start to recognize that, the more you will accomplish. Go to networking events, make friends in your industry, and don't be afraid to ask for favors. People want to see you succeed. As a start though, I suggest putting together a strong LinkedIn profile that is updated and active. People much older and much more powerful than you now will see the things that you're doing, and sometimes they'll reach out with opportunities, insight, or maybe just a congratulations. At the end of the day, there is no formula to getting into top schools, and if you try to find one, you're just shooting yourself in the foot. Do what you love and do it loudly. Top schools want to find people who not only have high potential, but who know how to turn their dreams into reality. Summers are a great time to start working on these projects, but you shouldn't limit yourself to just that. Find a virtual summer internship that you can continue into the fall. Be an activist for a cause you care about all year long. As high school students, there are a lot of limitations on what we can do, but there are also a lot of opportunities hiding in plain sight. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you have any questions about anything that I said in this video, go ahead and comment down below and I'll try to get to all of you. I wish you guys an amazing and a restful end to your summer. See you in the next one. Bye.